What is 1010 app? 1010 app is a social media app for your family and friends. It turns your app into a live walkie talkie with your best friends anywhere, anytime. So, how to use it? First of all, you need to tap on install. Once you tap on install, it will start the installation process. And once it's installed, you need to tap on open, which is on the right side. And it will ask you how old are you and what's your Instagram. You can sign in with your Google or your TikTok or email, and you can log into your account. Or if you don't have an account, you can just go and create one account. After that, you will find a plus option. You just need simply tap on the plus icon to add friends on your 1010. Copy the pin that you have on your screen and paste the pin to your another friend. And that's it. Your friends will hear you live on their phone even when their screen is locked. Once they join, you can talk like you're next to each other. You can talk, poke, or switch to video to show your face, or you will have the silent mode. You also have the security and privacy section. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.